Our topic today is anti-vibration solutions in IVF lab. What do we know about IVF success factors? Most of them directly relate to the clients, women and men, their age, previous pregnancies, type of existing fertility problem, donor eggs quality, general lifestyle habits. And one not less important factor that is very significant for the IVF process success, but it's not related to the clients, and this is IVF clinic. So what is so important in IVF clinic? Besides the high expertise and professional staff, sophisticated IVF lab equipment is a very important part of the whole treatment. The success rates in the best IVF clinic can be up to 4 times as high as the worst. And when we talk about equipment, we should know that high resolution and high precision equipment performance depend on the environment. And vibration-free environment for inverted and optical microscopes, proper work is extremely important. That's why we need to remove vibrations in order to optimize performance, and this becomes very critical for many IVF processes. So what is the source of these vibrations? People, they just work here, so they move, they walk there and here. The lab is in a pretty good location, just near a bus or train station. But outside traffic of any kind generates a lot of vibrations too. Look out of your window. New building raised up just in several months. But now, every day, many machines, motors, compressors and pumps will produce a lot of vibrations just near your lab. We cannot imagine our lives without air conditioner. However, it also makes troubles to our equipment. Seismic reasons. Not all of us sit in Taipei, and still the ground moves just everywhere and all the time. Acoustic noise, doors opening and closing, and elevators. Maybe your lab is located in a modern skyscraper. What was used until now to prevent vibrations' influence on IVF process? As far as we know, one of the first methods that was used was several kinds of tennis and ping pong balls, and that is besides of the silent signs on the laboratory's door. Then, very heavy marble and granite tables were used, and recently it started to use pneumatic tables in IVF labs. If we will take a look in the near future, which is starting just now and here, then we will see that KNS anti-vibration platforms are the most advanced and effective solutions for this purpose. Each type of vibration source provides vibrations in different frequencies range and require its own appropriate solution. The wrong approach to vibration problems could amplify the vibrations instead of their isolation. The most effective vibration isolation will be a system which provides vibration cancellation in wide frequencies range in all 6 degrees of freedom. Most of the solutions used until now in IVF labs could resolve the problem just partially. However, not for all cases, and in some of the cases it's even increased the problem. What is so special about KNS anti-vibration solutions? There are 2 types of platforms, active and passive. In many cases, passive solution could solve all the vibration problems that persist in the lab. Sometimes, very noisy environment, some special vibration source could require active system. What are the common key benefits of KNS solutions? Highly effective vibration isolation, active vibration control on various frequencies range, special design for inverted microscopes, 6 degrees of freedom active control, easy integration into workstation environment, and finally, It could be customized and integrated into workstation by workstation manufacturer, and this is very important for OEM customers. What is KNS approach? Many years of experience and deep analysis of the issue and existing methods brings to a new product contains several technologies to make the best performance. It has patented architectures, active isolation in all 6 degrees of freedom. It covers all vibration frequencies range. It doesn't require air supply. It is easily integrated into laboratory environment. It doesn't require any maintenance and provide advanced vibration isolation. Here in this slide you can see several examples of usage. The system could be installed on the table, it could be integrated into glove box, and the major item, you can see the stability of the image when the microscope installed on top of the KNS anti-vibration platform. And now we want to take you for a tour in the IVF laboratory with real IVF equipment, real embryologists that have experienced all phases of anti-vibration technology evolution. How often in your practice you have experienced vibration influence on IVF process?
The IVF process as a whole is very, very influenced by vibrations because we work in high magnifications, we work with micro manipulations. The sizes that we're talking about when we're working and the distances that we're using while doing the fertilization are microns. And when you work in high magnifications under microscope in microns, everything that happens in the room has influence on the vibration and on the quality of work.
How critical vibration isolation for IVF?
It's very critical because if we're working and fertilizing an egg and we're experiencing in a critical phase of penetrating the sperm into the oocyte a vibration, we can damage the oocyte in such a way that it will either start degenerating or will not result with fertilization or result with the poor embryo quality.
So actually it affects the success rate?
Of course, it affects the whole process, the quality of the embryo, the success rate, and the whole process is influenced by vibration and how to eliminate the vibration during the process.
Do you know what is the source of vibration in IVF lab? Mostly no.
Yeah, because in IVF lab there's not many people going inside because not everybody is allowed, only the staff itself. But it's usually more than one person, and when one is working and the other one is going with the dish and can touch the table and a door closes and opens and somebody is writing a report on the same table that you are working in, depends how the lab is designed. Everything can influence the vibration.
Okay, any equipment inside the lab can also generate vibrations?
Yes, centrifuges cause a lot of vibrations. Big box incubators that are not so often used today in IVF, but they still exist, they also can cause vibrations. People walking cause vibrations, writing on a table cause vibrations.
Okay. Is there any limitations, constraints of your job due to vibration issues, like maybe hours or something that you...
When an IVF lab is designed, it is very important to take into account the vibration issue and not to build it closer to a railway station or a bus station or a highway, not only because of the pollution but also because of the vibrations. In addition, for example, we never put a centrifuge in the same table as the manipulation system. It's separate tables and usually far from each other in order to reduce vibration. And we use anti-vibration tables. Usually the most common ones are passive ones, but again they give only partial solution because they usually work on a system of air pumps, and if the air reduces then the pump is not very effective and the table becomes not very leveled and it is felt immediately.
A lot of maintenance stuff.
Yeah.
Have you seen any improvement while using K&S anti-vibration platform?
Yes, I feel that the K&S platform gives more stability. The vibrations are less, but also very important that it stops the vibrations much faster, because vibration is something that takes time until it's completely gone. And if we're working and every time there is a vibration, we're always experiencing vibration. So it's very important, especially in critical moments, that if we have a vibration, it will be as less as possible and it will be stopped as fast as possible. And K&S give the solution.
Would you recommend this platform to your colleagues?
Yes, I would recommend it to my colleagues because I think it gives much better solution to an IVF lab in compared to air pump anti-vibration table. It is comfortable, it is very stable, and it gives confidence to our work so we can do it in the best possible way and give the best results possible.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.